Hello friends, this is movie ticket booking app created in Java with OOP and data structures. Okay, it's used file handling for storing data. You can see these are all the text files where I store the data. So it's for users. Okay, there are two type of user, admin and the customer. Let me first run the app and show you how it works. So here I have to log in as admin. Okay, so a at e.c and log in. So you can see it get the username. Okay, currently login username, you can see admin username is Kasim. Okay, so it get that particular username from the file. Now the admin will be able to add, delete or check how many users are registered. Okay, so first of all I add a new user, Ali, a at b dot c. Okay, and the password is 11. Add user. Okay, so user created successfully. Now it's time to show the users. You can see these are all the users are registered. So when I click back, here I will be able to add movies. So when I click on add movie name, okay, like that, and 3 hours. Okay, add movie. So movies are also added successfully. Show movies. So these are the movies. Okay, so now it's time to booking. So when I log out, now I have to log in as any user. Like I put the information of newly registered user. So a at b dot c and the password is 11 and login. Now it's time to select the theater like this one, gold. So these are the movies list. Okay, you can see I added this movie new, and duration is 3 hours. User may select any other movie like this movie or this movie. Okay, and book now. So movie ticket is booking, and when I log out, now it's time to log in as admin to check the movie bookings. Okay, so a at e dot c and password is a. So these are the bookings. Okay, if you want to get a source code, contact me on WhatsApp. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. I will create a detailed video how to create that project. Okay, bye bye, tata, see you.